What it is, YouTube? This is your boy, Life of Rod Copeland, back with another video. I said I'm back with another video. Yeah, man. I just got here to my pickup to load my load up. So, just giving y'all a shout out, man. Finna go ahead and break the load down, or break my truck down, waiting on the guys to come out to load it. But if y'all new to the channel, like, comment, and subscribe. Coming back with the daily vlogs. Man. I had some time off. Now I'm back, man. So, again, if y'all new to the channel, like, comment, and subscribe for this. Drop me some more videos. I thought he was bringing my stuff out now, but yeah, man, y'all. Look, y'all bear with me. I know I took a couple days off, but it was because I was trying to stay positive. But y'all be easy. I'll get back with y'all in a few. Alright, y'all, this is what I'm picking up to go to Louisiana. Maybe not. 50,000 pounds, according to them. I don't see nothing on it right now. Yeah. We don't see no scratches in there. A little rust spots. But besides that, it looks like it's, well, I don't know. I can't really tell because it's so dirty and stuff. But this is our new toy. We're taking down to Louisiana. Supposed to be a legal size load. Legal size, just heavy on the weight. 50. I don't know what that is just yet. I'm gonna time that anyway. But I'll be right back. Let me get my thing loaded up real quick. I'll call y'all right back. I'll get right back with you. Alright, y'all, I'm helping load the load. You come in, sir. You can go over a little bit more. What would you say that most of the weight is at? About right here? About right here on back? That's probably a good spot then. This is the halfway point right here.
What we're gonna do, move it around, let it go back up. Make sure that weight right and now let it down.
Okay.
This thing will go down.
Oh, okay.
You got boom, it'll go down.
Okay.
It won't be sitting this high. I'm gonna lower it all down.
Okay.
And let the boom down loud.
All right, I got you.
So how much overhang you allowed at the back?
I mean, it ain't gonna hang over at all.
Just go ahead and hook back up.
Okay.
And air up everything.
Okay.
Make sure this is where you want it.
All right, that'll work.
We'll let everything down.
All right.
Here, you go ahead and
All right, y'all. Finna go on here and hook up. Get my chains hooked up on the front side. Or on this side, I can't do cross because I can't do a cross. Actually, I probably can do a cross because we can go here to here. But there's a hole right there. Okay, well, I guess I can do a cross. Okay. I guess we are gonna do a cross. You know, this don't make sense. But this little ass. Look at how little this thing is. This shit like it a break. I don't even like that part. Ah. Oh well. This bad boy is 27,000 pounds. Alright, so since we cross-training, go ahead and hook up one of these for y'all real quick. Then come back to y'all with the finished product. Remember these who all right. Had to use my hammer, man. little play, not much, but we're good. Good hook. Alright, y'all. I'll be back to y'all soon. Alright, y'all. I got a strap across the back. I got me a X in the front and in the back. The strap on the back is mainly for DOT. It's no real reason because it's holding the back down just in case it decides it wanted to go up for some reason. Got an X in the front, X in the back. 47,000 pounds. 47,000 pounds. So I should be around 100. Close to 100,000. 40. No, like 97,000 pounds. Something like that. So put my flags on. As y'all can see, I put my flags on. It's not oversized, it's just overweight. So with that being said, I'm finna hit the road and try to get my permits. Alright, y'all, I just want to give y'all a little look at this truck right here. It's it looks like it's a carnival truck, but you can't really tell. Look, it's a whole bunch of old cars, but it looks like it's a actual real cars though. I don't see no carnival shit. Children's Hospital, Make-A-Wish. Pretty cool to me. But alright, man, we finna hit the road and hopefully our permits hit before we hit to the damn weight scale. Oh God.